Hey, what's up? It's Ike Paz, and this is another very powerful short little video on a product I created right in front of you on my YouTube channel that people have been asking me about. It's about whales. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, I have a video down below or at the corners here, wherever. You'll find a video where I actually go through, I show you how to create a printable whale baby shower game set in a matter of minutes. Very simple to do. How I found that product, I did the whole shebang. I show you everything. Now, I've gotten like 2 or 3 emails asking me, well, Ike, have you sold any of that? Well, that's what I'm going to show you in this video, and why it's really important to have more quality products in your stable so that they can start earning for you on a daily basis. So make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have already started creating your printables, be it on Etsy or on your own site. Let me know that. Let me know if you're already profiting. That's cool. I'd like to know that as well. Your traffic sources, all that good stuff. Anyways, watch this video to the very end. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share your story with me. Okay, watch this. Okay, so let's get started. About a month ago, I shot this video, as you can see here, 1 month ago. I shot this video where I created a product right before your eyes. I actually created a whale baby shower themed game set. And this is just a little update and I guess a case study. Show you that, I've started profiting off of this little printable product that I created in front of you guys. And I've made 2 sales so far, okay? And I got it using nothing but free traffic off of Pinterest. Now the quagmire here is I can't find the pin using the search bar, okay? So I've tried whale baby shower and my pins aren't showing up. There must be a pin, there must be a keyword string that is producing traffic to this landing page, okay? I know it's through Pinterest because that's the only traffic source I'm using for this particular product, okay? And there must be a keyword string, maybe whale baby shower games. There are several whale baby shower keyword strings that you can, as you can see from the Pinterest autocomplete. There are several whale baby shower themed keyword strings. So I'm sure one of them is bringing up my my Pinterest pin. Just letting you know right off the bat, these pins that come up at the top, okay, which are also printables, that come up at the top for these keyword strings are producing traffic. And if they have a simple landing page, just like mine here, with the product and the product description, then I can assure you, I confidently bet they're making money with a similar product like mine, this printable whale baby shower. I'm already starting to profit. I already made 2 sales, okay, recently. So I expect to make more sales in the long term, okay? Remember, this is a marathon, not a race, okay? So I can assure you, if I'm already making money off of I guess a low-key keyword or a keyword that's not searched too much, because I can't find my pin anywhere at the top, I can assure you these guys or these folks are, they're profiting online with printable whale baby shower games, okay? Just like I am, okay? So just letting you know, just giving you a little motivation. If you're interested about this little video here where I actually go through and create the product right before your eyes, check out the link below or check out the link at the corner of the screen. I'll have a little pop-up there where you can watch the video, no strings attached. Okay, let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more case studies, tutorials, and reviews just like this one. Okay, be good, take care, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.